What you got there? Huh? What you got there? We got some frozen blueberries in our little mess chewy thingy. I don't know what to call this, but she likes it. Mmm. Mmm. Make it messy. Is that good? You're gonna have purple lips today. You're gonna have purple lips today. Daddy thinks it's gonna stain you. Hope he's not right. Hope he's not right, huh? Sometimes he is. Not often. Ha ha ha. Is that good? That's the wrong side. That's the wrong side. Oh, there's the right one. There's the right one. There you go. Are we all done with the blueberries? I think there's still some you haven't mushed in there. You want some oats? Do you want some oats? You want some oats? 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 Yeah? Want some oats? Okay, let me go find them. Hold on. Here we go. Want some oats? Do you want some oats? Oh boy, look what we got. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm coming. There you go. Oh, thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Good stuff. Good stuff. You're already pretty sticky, huh? These might be a little troublesome today. Good job. Dropped it. I got one stuck over here. Oh, here, want some help? Is that tasty? Oh, some blueberries. I'll have some more blueberries. Whoa. Uh-oh. Are you all done? We all done? Drop it. We all done? You want another bite of blueberry? Are we all done? Here you go. Yeah, all done. We're over it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Amelia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, say bye-bye.